Or any topic you want me to talk about? What? No, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Overthinking. Okay, sit down. Overthinking, I just love it. That's my favorite topic. Right? Overthinking generally happens when you have too much free time with you. Right? Free time is the biggest cause of overthinking, nothing else. It's not a disease or it's not a concept. You just like, I'm an overthinker. Right? Mind is such a great thing that when you leave it free, it is going to think. Right? So what I do is you get so involved in your action, you get so involved in your career or your focus or your dream that you don't give time for your mind to think. You plan with your mind. You make a schedule with your mind. Then mind stay ahead. I'm all action. Slowly your mind will stop thinking. If I tell you not to think about a monkey, you will only think about a monkey. That's mind, right? That's the best part of mind. So what you have to do is get busy in action. Get busy in doing. Get busy in serving. And automatically your mind will step aside. Because if I stand here, not speak anything, you will think, go on thinking. And go in so much detail. Then the Ranbir Kapoor also will come in the way. Right? And you will start thinking about that. So, that's what you got to do. So get busy. Start working. Get focused on your career. I'm going to do. Think, plan, then action. Automatically, mind will stop thinking. Like people ask me, how do you stop negative thinking? Right? How do you control your mind? People ask me this question, how do you control? Why are you controlling your mind? Controlling mind can be only done by the great saints and all. As we normal people forget controlling mind. Easiest part is to divert your mind. Because mind is going to think regardless. So divert it to something positive so that let that mind busy thinking on the good things. But what we do is, no, control your mind, Why are you controlling? Why? Mind is a thinker. Give him good things to think rather than bad things to think, and you overthink, this will happen, that will happen. No. I'm going to do. Did I answer your question? Overthinking? Okay. More questions?